Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. Please don't forget to subscribe me. In this video I want to talk about fake and real breakout. There are three types of breakout: false breakout, continuation breakout, and reversal breakout. Now we'll see what's reversal breakout. Here there is an uptrend. After a long trend, we see a trading range. It can be consolidation or pause as a trading range. After this consolidation, Forex traders decide that the trend is exhausted and push the price in opposite or reverse direction. Here we have a breakout. This candle closed under support line of trading range, and then we have a pullback. Here we go to sell. Our take profit point is mid-move trading range. What about continuation breakouts? We have an uptrend. Sometimes when there is an extensive move in one direction, the market will often take a breeze. Here buyer and seller pause to see what they should do next. Here we have a breakout, but don't rush. Wait for pullback. Then here go to buy. Our take profit is height of leg 1. Now we see what's fake breakout. We have a trading range here. This breakout is fake. Until close above this high. We can set buy limit order for breaking above this line and set take profit for a mid-move trading range. At the end of this day, we see our expectation was right. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and support me. We are here to learn together.